welcome back to Allie Can Cook featuring Mama McManus.
Hi, I'm Mama McManus.
And I'm Allie, and on today's episode of Allie Can Cook, we are showing you guys a really simple yet sweet drink that you can have in the summertime or in the wintertime.
Yeah, in the wintertime.
It's really, really simple to make. It's different. My mom actually discovered it on a trip in Amsterdam, so she's gonna kind of run this video tutorial for you guys today and show you how to make it. We love it. It wasn't vegan before. They used to put honey in it, but we veganized it by putting maple syrup in.
And that's exactly how simple sometimes a recipe can be veganized.
Exactly. So if you guys want to see how we make our Amsterdam sweet tea, keep watching.
So first of all, what you need is to boil some water. You need a lemon, maple syrup, and some mint. You can use the mint loosely, but I like to keep it on the roots so that it sticks in the cup, and I'm not swallowing mint, but it gives it a really great flavor.
So my mom is just cutting up the lemon now.
So all you need to do is take a slice of lemon, plop it into the bottom, take some maple syrup.
Real Canadian maple syrup.
You need about a teaspoon, not very much at all, so I'm just gonna eyeball it because I just want to take away the bitterness of the lemon, make it a little sweet. Then I'm going to plop in my mint leaves. Now I've rinsed these, it's very important to do that. So you just stick them in like this, and then all you need to do is pour the water in.
Steam.
And so the wonderful flavors.
It already smells amazing.
It smells amazing. So the flavors of the mint and the lemon are perfect. And I like this instead of drinking coffee. I mean, I could drink lots of coffee, but I like a hot drink. So this is a fabulous substitute for me.
Yeah, and I find that I drink a lot of tea, and it's nice sometimes to have a little bit more of a sweeter afternoon drink, especially too after you eat. If you crave usually like desserts and really chocolatey and stuff that's not that great for you, it's always nice to have like a little bit of sweetness to help cleanse your palate, and that way make you not crave junk food. We hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. We make new videos every single Thursday, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Sorry, I forgot.
Bye guys.
Bye guys.
You just weren't gonna say bye to them there.
No, I wasn't. I was thinking about my tea.
All right.